Hello, I have another box I'm going to open, and it's another board game. This time I've ordered A Touch of Evil. I think that's what's in there, and it's used, so it's already open. I guess it's not a true unboxing, but I'll get to open everything up and see all the pieces. And it's a pretty affordable game on eBay, but this one has extras, so we'll get into it. This knife is starting to become really dull. And probably gonna okay. I need to okay. There we go. This is so what are these? Hero packs. Hero pack 1 and Hero pack 2. I don't know what those are yet. Let's just set them aside. This is one of the expansions. Something Wicked. You can check out the cover. This is also an expansion. Actually, I figured out that this one is a little hard to find. This one's called The Coast. And then this is the actual game, and it's always on the very bottom, so whenever I do these unboxings, I show all the other components first. And it's like, where's the game? Where's the game? There's the game. A Touch of Evil. So, let's just look real quick. Oh, wow. Well, there's a lot of components in it. I can see that right off the bat. Oh, the soundtrack's still sealed. That's pretty cool. There's a soundtrack for a game. That's pretty cool. And then, yeah, looks like it comes with some dice and minifigs. And I saw an unboxing once where somebody had painted these and put washers on the bottom that fit on there perfectly for some weight. And I thought that was a pretty brilliant idea, and I might have to start doing that with all my minifigs. But it just looks like it. So anyways, tokens or what? These look pretty cool actually. Got some Rat's Nest, Braghurst Town, Franklin the dog, +1 cunning, +1 spirit. Yeah, looks like I don't really know what this game's about. And then villain cards. That I can see. Let's check out the villain cards. The Scarecrow, Vampire, Werewolf, Spectral Horse. Yeah, I will say this. Whoever owned this game before, it seems like they took really good care of it. Everything's in plastic sleeves and in Ziplocs, so even though I bought a used game, I mean, the CD was still sealed. Some of this stuff, it's like new condition, I think. Mm-hmm. And then here's the hero cards. Isabella von Took, Victor Danforth, Katarina the Outlaw, Thomas the Courier, Heinrich Cartwright the Drifter. I'm reading this upside down, so these may not even be right. Inspector Cook, and Marie the school teacher, and Carl the soldier. That's cool. Okay, what else is in here? Looks like we got some mystery cards. Okay, some manor cards. I don't know if you can see that on the plastic. Curse of the Werewolf. Got a bunch of tons of event cards. These kind of look like Like here's the coachman, things that can happen along the way. Oh, even more tokens. Now I wonder if this is all from the core pack or if some of those other expansion pieces are stuck. It just seems like a lot of elements. Oh, by the way, this game is made by Flying Frog Productions. And here's a bunch of, looks like character tokens. And then some more. Again, all the cards are actually in plastic sleeves. This is a well cared for game. Lair cards and secret cards. And then I didn't, let's see, I didn't show the game board, did I? Oh wow, look at this. We got some minion charts. And then cooperative game. Oh, these are probably like, I don't know, like health counters or something. Lair cost? Lair costs. I don't know what that is for, but I guess I will find out. Nice rule book. It's full color. So that's pretty cool, actually. I like it when they're full color like that. And they have pretty pictures. And then, let's see. This is the game board. This is the world we play in. Shadowbrook. Alright. I think that's a good enough video for the core game and unboxing of all this stuff. But I will come back on another one and I'll show you all the expansions. So that's A Touch of Evil. Thanks for watching.